Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at calculating the quartiles Q1 and Q3, also the interquartile range. Okay, so to calculate our quartiles, so I'll just call this one Q1, and basically just enter your equals as always when you're entering a formula, and then QUARTILE. Okay, now first of all, to get your quartile, you select the data that you're interested in, and then you've got to tell it which quartile you want. And you can see this little screen comes up here, tells you first quartile, third quartile, but also the minimum value, maximum value, and the median value. And they're just Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So we want the first quartile. So we'll click on it, or you can just type in 1, close the bracket, and press equals. Q3 is very, very similar, of course. Okay, again, where do you want it to, tell it where do you want it to get its data from, and then a 3 at the end, press enter. Okay, now the interquartile range, so IQR equals, okay, two ways you can do this. So you can have it calculate the Q3 and Q1, and then just go click on that button, cell, press minus, and then take away that cell, press enter. Another way you can do it is to enter your quartile information directly into the cell. Okay, I want the third quartile, and we're going to subtract away quartile. We're going to subtract away the first quartile, and then press enter, and there you go. So there's two ways at least you can do the interquartile range. Okay, that's the end. Thanks for listening.